Crisis on the southern border is overflowing the courts nationwide, with immigration cases backlogged for months, and Fresno no exception. Of the millions of cases pending, most of them from newly arrived asylum seekers. Our Karen Cruz Orduña joins us live with a look at how big of a problem this truly is. Karen.
Well, Alexon, the number of cases have increased by 50% in the last year, and it could get worse before it gets better. Gregory Olson is an immigration attorney at Cook & Olson law firm. He's buried under hundreds of cases.
The immigration court backlog is creating a situation where the judges have all these new cases coming on. They quite often don't have the time to even handle the cases that they have. And so the reality is it ends up the cases that would be heard now in the next 6 months are being pushed into 2025, 2026. I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing 2027.
Olson is one of thousands of attorneys dealing with this issue nationwide. There are over 3 million pending cases in the U.S., 350,000 of them in California. Things are so backed up, judges are reviewing some of the cases and dismissing them.
What's called prosecutorial discretion, which, similar to like criminal cases, it's where the attorney on the other side agrees that we're just going to dismiss the case, allow the person to stay here. That's only available when people are not a border security threat, national safety threat, or public safety threat.
Olson says he sometimes has problems even contacting the court.
Quite often I make a motion to the court and I don't get it responded to. So on my end it's very frustrating. For my clients it's very frustrating because they want to be able to get this resolved. They're living in limbo and they just want to be able to feel secure within the United States, and I can't help them achieve that.
A big part of the problem is distance and logistics. The courts Olson has to deal with are located in Los Angeles and San Francisco, and things may not get better for years.
They are opening a Concord immigration court, so the cases here will start to be transferred over to there in the next year or two. So there are measures that they're taking to try to make it better, but there just aren't enough immigration judges.
Now, there are 160,000 pending cases in the San Francisco Immigration Court, and many migrants that are in the Central Valley actually go to this particular location for their court hearing. In Fresno, Karen Cruz Orduña, KC24 Local News that Matters.